Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, you can see that we have tested a total of 495 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, my crazy simple scalping strategy that wins big. And so, pretty straightforward as far as the title goes. We'll put this to the test and obviously see what we can get out of this strategy. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Bollinger Bands Breakout Oscillator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings. And what we'll want to do is just change the length right here to 20. And go ahead and click OK. And really the important level that we're looking for with the Bollinger Band breakout is going to be this line right here at the 50. So if you wanted to, you could go into the styles and you could bump up the line weight and maybe even turn the color a little bit darker color, or however you want to set this up, a lighter color. It's totally up to you. But that 50 level there is kind of the important level we're looking for, but we can always gauge that by looking at coordinates right here above my mouse, these numbers here. If you hover over this bar here, you can see that middle number there tells us where it is in relation to the number scale here on the side. All right, the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the purple cloud indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we will jump into the settings. And so what we're going to do is the super trend ATR length, just make sure that is set to 9. And then what we're going to do is jump into the styles. We're going to uncheck all these selections right here, and we are going to turn on the EMA selections here if they're not already turned on. The two EMAs, the EMA 200 and the EMA 50. Now, interesting enough, I do believe that this super trend ATR length right here actually has nothing to do with these EMAs. Just kind of a testament to the way the source videos just kind of fumble around creating kind of superficial settings to make it look like they've actually achieved some kind of special settings that you need to know about. But this indicator here is supposed to actually give separate buy and sell signals, which is what these are right here. And so this input right here actually controls these buy and sell signals, or that's the input for them. And so the fact that we changed the setting here, then went straight in according to the source video and turned off these buy and sell signals, it's just kind of comical. Essentially what we're looking for is just the EMAs, the two EMAs, a 200 and a 50 period, which means that we could just add those separately. But nonetheless, I digress. And so I made the EMA 200 this nice purple color, and the EMA 50 is this blue color. Now, what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for when price is trading below the EMAs. Now, this is another interesting part in the source video. They never actually explain that the EMAs should be stacked in a specific way. So, for example, they don't explain that the blue 50 period should be below the 200 purple period, which is kind of a standard double EMA setup. You're looking for the 50 period to be below, you're looking for shorts, and then if the 50 period is above the 200, you're looking for longs. And so again, I'm trading this as if I am a brand new trader, never touched anything like this in my life, and I just watched the source video and added it the way they explained and traded it the way they explained. So they never mention that the EMA should be in a particular setup. They just say that price should be trading below the EMAs and you're looking for a short. Then what you're looking for is you are looking for the Bollinger Band's red cloud to break above the 50 level. And again, these coordinates right here, if you hover over the EMA or this bar right here, you can see that it is in fact above the 50 level at the 52.49. And so that would be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here, and we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. All right, you can see that we get a really nice push to the downside stair step there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades, putting it at a 50% win rate. With the 1 to 2 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $300 per losing trade. Your total drawdown or total loss would have been $7,500 for an overall gain of $7,500. So all things considered, not a horrible strategy for a 5-minute time frame, and kind of the fumbled around settings and setup for the strategy from the source video. It's a scalping strategy, and it worked rather well. Now compare that to the Academy Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 42 trades altogether. It had an 82% win rate, and the total gain with the position management strategy would have been closer to the $20,000 mark. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in backtesting and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.